出之外，身為藝人，我想俾我 community 俾我觀眾，俾我 fans message。So I hope you can take away some message tonight。希望喺你最難過、最一個人、最黑暗嗰時、最lonely 嗰時，可以俾到一啲鼓勵你哋。係呢個係我覺得做藝人嘅職責。所以好多謝你哋嚟我嘅 show， 好感謝。I know it's not forever， 所以我每一刻都好感謝。So thank you for coming to my show. This is Magic Man, but this is Jackson Wang 黃嘉怡 ，thank you。Thank you， 好唔好？
多謝啊，嘉嘉。
我唔知幾時我下次會開 show 嘅，擁有嘅時候要珍惜啊！所以感謝每一個嚟到現場嘅朋友，同埋希望你哋返屋企小心，同埋希望你哋都可以喺你哋嘅人生裏面揾到自己幸福嘅標準，呢個好重要。我哋好多時候都係為咗別人而活。但其實係為自己而活，唔係一件壞事咯。所以希望你哋開開心心、快快樂樂，揾到自己開心、健康就得啦。Thank you， 呢個係嘉怡啊 ，Thank you。好，亦都感謝下，我感謝我阿爸阿媽 ，Thank you， 生咗我 ，Thank you，Thank you，Thank you， 亦都多謝你哋阿爸阿媽生咗你哋。Thank you。仲要感謝 Galaxy 啊，銀河啊，做啲商務嘢先，你等我一陣啊。感謝 Galaxy Macau， 感謝 Galaxy Arena， 感謝 Teamwork IME Plan A Kinges， 所有今日付出嘅呢度所有嘅 dancer， 我哋 Magic Friend，AZ Pisces Music Arrangement， 之後感謝 Teamwork， 我哋 Teamwork 有邊位個咧？有蔡以軍，蔡。Peggy， 之後Sean、Alan， 仲有喺嗰邊嘅 Plan A， 你哋可能見唔到佢哋喺後面呢個 production 嘅 Plan A，one of the best。之後感謝 Thanks for everything that made this happen， so thank you and thank you， 你哋今日所有人嚟到現場嘅最靚仔、最靚女就係你哋啦 ，thank you。呢個就係 Day One。Macau show， thank you。我哋可唔可以影一張相先？
係啊！
嗱，要補妝嗰啲就快啲補妝啊！
哇，我個天嘅褲都未。